Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm headed into Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to try to look for some things that I am normally picking up at my grocery store to see if I can get them cheaper here. So I'm going to take a look and see what they have as far as food goes. So if you want to come along and see how I can save some money by finding things here rather than paying a little bit more at the grocery store, come on and join me. They have the gloves here that I normally have to pick up. They have the food ones, for 100 pack, $1.25, which is good. And then they have the latex gloves for cleaning. Actually, I think I'll get latex is fine. I already have those. So they do have some good cleaning products here. But that's pretty much all I need for now. There might be one other thing I have to remember. I do need some aluminum foil, so these are all $1.25. They have different options. I'm gonna go with the 40 square foot. I haven't tried that kind yet, but hopefully it's good. And then some aluminum sheets. Do I need those? I guess it won't be too bad to get these. They even have the Reynolds, but it's just 15 square foot. So if you are brand specific, they have that. You just don't get as much in the container there. I think I also need some parchment paper. Running out of that. And these are amazing to pick up right here. These oven bags, you can use them for the turkey. Is it those ones I'm thinking about? No, I'm thinking about the crock pot bags. They look like this. They come in a package like this. I don't think you can use that for the crock pot, but I was hoping to find those ones because I do use those crock pot liners. I'm gonna grab a couple of these Power Blend nuts, and I think there's like a energy one. I'll just get the fruit and nut. My husband likes these, so I'm gonna grab him a few. Grabbing some corn nuts, the chili picante. You get 4 ounces for $1.25. I'm going to pick up some of these Snyder's 6-pack lunch packs, the mini pretzels, and for $1.25 you get 6, so I think that's a good deal for a snack. You do have to watch the prices because these Pringles are $2.25, those ones down there $2.75, Takis $3.75. It is really hard to record in here. As soon as I'm starting to record, someone wants to walk right by me or right next to me. So I'm trying my best to show you what they have in here, but I might just show you everything at the end of what I end up picking up. But let me tell you about the Campbell's soup, because I know it's that time of year where a lot of us come and get cream of chicken and things like that. Check your dollar store because they have all types of varieties here. I even noticed this one here, Campbell's Chicken Classic. It's a hearty ham and bean soup, and it's a pretty big size. You know, it's 14.5. There's chicken noodle soup. I know keeping these like in the cabinet comes in handy when you're sick, and they are usually anywhere from $2 to $3 in the grocery store. So definitely check out to see if there's any soups you want to stock up on. For cooking and whatnot. There's even tomato soup, and it's the 30% bigger can, so 14.3, or chicken broth even, Swanson for $1.25. Not too bad. And they have a lot of tunas, so if you like to get the tuna packets, see if it's cheaper here at $1.25 rather than the store that you normally shop at. And I was pretty amazed at this. They have different options for fish for $1.25. This big old whole mackerel in brine, 12 ounces. I don't know how much of it is brine and how much of it is actually the mackerel. But keeping these on hand for like emergency purposes, you know, things like that. These are good like stock up items while you're in the store because they're non-perishable. I don't think these get expire until like 2027. Oh, 2025. There was another thing I saw that said 27. Then there's smoked oysters. These are good for a year, and it's 3.53 ounces. And some imitation crab meat, 3.53 ounces. So if it's like just you or whatnot, it'll be good to pick up these type of things. Sardines, mackerel in a can, So I think those are good prices for that size. If you see my hand here, it's a comparison for you. Make sure you're watching the prices. Like I said, I almost grabbed this and it's $3. I decided not to. I got excited. I thought it was a $1.25. These ones here are $1.25. You get 4 of them. And then a little small mixed fruit. It's like a half a container. Wow. We should be losing weight in this country now with the price of food. Black beans is another can of food I like to keep on hand. So I'm going to pick up one of these, and this is actually a good brand, just to keep it on hand to add to recipes and things like that. I'm going to pick up some of these toasty peanut butter crackers. These ones are pretty good too, but the guys haven't been eating them, so I'm going to try getting these ones here. They have a lot of different snacks. This one my kids used to like all the time, the junior dippers. You get 5 of them for $1.25. They even have the 9-pack of off-brand cheese snacks, so if your kids are not too picky, that's actually a good deal. The 18-pack lemon sandwich cream cookies. You get 18 of them, so they're like individually wrapped for $1.25. I might just pick those up just to have them. I don't know if anybody will eat them though. Let's see. Yeah, they have quite a bit of options. I've never really tried their desserts down there. I think that's all I want to get. I know they have the flips here. It's kind of a small bag though. 2.75 ounce for $1.25. They have the bagel chips, so if you do like charcuterie boards, they have those here. If you rather get Cheez-Its, they have a 3-pack for $1.25. Lots of like the kids' lunch items that you can put in their lunches and things like that. Applesauce, pudding, and of course all the drinks. I already picked up the 2 rock stars that I need to submit to aisle for the $5 back. I don't have any here. They were actually on the end cap. And if you drink coconut water, you have anybody in your family that does, this one's a really good one, and it's 99% juice coconut water, $1.25. I usually pick those up for my son, but we stocked up already at Aldi. Yeah, they have different drink options. I usually like getting this one, the sparkling ice plus caffeine. They have the aloe vera juice beverages. I'm not sure if that's any good or not. Different water options and flavors and things like that. So yeah, lots to choose from. Oh, and the waters down here are $1.25. I seen somebody say that these cheese doodles, these hot and honey ones, are so good, and they're made with real cheese, so I'm actually gonna try them. I'll let you know if they're any good though. Alright, here's a look at everything I got. I did pick up some of these Mexican popsicles. They are $5, but I usually pay about that anyway at any store, so I figured I'd get them while I'm here. This is $1.25. I got it because my son, he's bulking up, he said, and he needs like a lot of protein and carbs, so this has that. $1.25. Spring rolls, $1.25, and you get 8 of them in here, so I grabbed 2 because these are really good. I don't know if you guys ever tried these, but just add them with some fried rice and then some Texas toast. Their Texas toast is pretty good. It's $1.25 for 6 slices. Some Velveeta shreds, that was $3. It's about 4 or 5 at the store that I get it from. Just got some prune juice. It's 100% for $1.25. Some marshmallow hot cocoa mix and marshmallows to go with it because you need more marshmallows. I wanted to try this lobster egg roll. I've never tried it, and I noticed it was the most popular one because it was almost gone. There's other ones too, other flavors. Got some hamburger buns because I have some chicken patties at home I need to use up. So I'm going to make some chicken sandwiches. And then those cheese doodles, a lot of these things I already showed you, but I'm just showing you the stuff I haven't showed you. I got these steak cut potato fries, $1.25, and there's about 2 servings in there. I think that's a good price for those. I already showed you those. I picked up some Boston baked beans. I really love these and I was craving them, so I picked those up. And then the sipping broth, I don't know if you've ever seen this, but it's called Millie's sipping broth, and if you like the taste of pho, I think you would like this just to have the taste of it. And I thought it was interesting because I looked at the back and all the ingredients, and they're all like good ingredients, all natural. So I do like broth sometimes, especially when my stomach's bothering me and I don't feel like eating but I want to taste something. Those are perfect. My husband really likes these real peppermint mints in his tea, or just to kind of suck on. So $1.25 for those. I did pick up the lemon sandwiches like I showed you. There are the rock stars. Oh, and I did want to show you this. It's almost like, what is this stuff called? Nutella. And I looked at all the ingredients and they're like all clean ingredients, just milk and tree nuts. That's it. And it's made in the USA. It's $1.25 and it's the cocoa flavor. So I'm gonna try it. I'll let you guys know how it is. And this is the Cajun style. So I'm actually planning on like reviewing some of the things from here. I did find this too. Nature's Goodness. It's organic coconut flour, and I thought this would be a really good thing to kind of like do an alternative way of cooking, like instead of just the white flour I can like try things with this. So for $1.25 it's worth it. And on the back it says you can use it for cookies, cakes, muffins, cupcakes, pies, breads, pancakes, biscuits, pizza crust, or use as a fiber in smoothies and shakes and more. I thought that was awesome, so I'm gonna definitely try it because it is a lot of fiber in there. Just 2 tablespoons is 21% or 6 grams. So yeah, but everything else I showed you what I was getting, and I'm gonna go ahead and check out and I'll show you the receipt. Honest review on these cheese doodles, hot and honey. They're baked puffs. That's what they look like. Let's give it a try. Those are good. If you want to look at the back, here it is. I advise you not to look at the back. But no, there is a lot of bad stuff in there. Stuff I cannot pronounce. Here's a look at my receipt. All that stuff I showed you in the store came out to be $57.87. That's with tax. And pretty much everything was $1.25 except for that $5 ice cream and the $3 bag of Velveeta. So for all this stuff, not too bad. I probably saved money in comparison to getting it at a grocery store. So happy with that. Definitely give those a try. It is well worth it. One thing I did pick up and I didn't show you, I got it on the way out, was this baking soda for $1.25 each. I just needed some more, so that's a decent price. There's some places you can get it for a little bit cheaper. That's all I have for this video. I'll let you guys know how that lobster roll is and that Nutella knockoff right there. Always check expiration dates in your store, and not all of the stuff that's in my store will be at your store and vice versa. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.